Ready, start. Scheme do not qualify. A loan, advance, or credit given by a banking company cannot be accepted. With profound respects, we are unable to accept the view taken in Krishna Rice Mills Supra to the effect that the words to any agreement relating to a loan, advance, or grant given to him is a clause sufficient to include the petitioner and therefore the proposition or appearing thereafter creates another contingency which is relating to the credit in respect of or relating to hire purchase of goods sold to him by a banking company under a state sponsored scheme, and the second clause is independent of the first clause. What is relevant to be seen here is whether the expression under a state sponsored scheme would also qualify the words by a banking company or they qualify the words government company alone. The agreement may relate to either a loan or advance or credit in respect of or relating to hire purchase of goods sold. The purpose for which the money is given, namely it is a loan simpliciter or is relating to hire purchases of goods sold to him, is not at all relevant for deciding the controversy. What is decisive is whether the loan or advance or credit was given under a state sponsored scheme. In our opinion, Clause B applies to only such categories of loans or advances or credits which have been given under a state sponsored scheme by a banking company or a government company and not to all kinds of loans or advances. In a matter relating to repayment of loan by installments, there can be a serious and bona fide dispute regarding the exact amount which has accrued as interest and also about the total amount outstanding against a borrower. Under the scheme of the Act, power has been conferred upon the bank to send a certificate to the collector mentioning the amount due from a borrower and thereafter the amount is recovered as arrears of land revenue. The bank is empowered to take a unilateral decision regarding the quantum of the amount which is due from the borrower as neither a notice nor an opportunity of hearing to the borrower at the time of taking of such a decision is provided under the Act. Under subsection 5 of section 3, the certificate sent to the collector is final and cannot be questioned in any suit or in any reference to arbitration proceedings. No civil court or any other authority can grant an injunction in respect of any action taken or intended to be taken in pursuance of any power conferred by or under the Act. The only remedy available to the person from whom recovery is sought to be made is to pay the amount under protest, whereupon the recovery proceeding shall be stayed and thereafter make a reference under or otherwise enforce an arbitration agreement in respect of amount so paid or file a suit against the state government in the civil court. Full stop.